Yeah, it is Durban Network nganza kwethu senkabeni yeTheku la sikhona it's Dwalisa Spring Picnic Festival. Njengamanje nginosisiphumla we-MTN akade berana i-competition whereby kuwinwa 8,000 rand and they've got their winner. Unfortunately, where is the winner?
Winners taking their check and they're cashing it through our Momo app.
Oh, okay.
The MTN Momo app.
Yeah.
We are putting the money straight in there and they can pay their electricity, buy airtime through the Momo app.
Okay.
They can do everything there. Yeah.
How does it feel that at the end you've got the win?
Oh, it's exciting. This is the second 1,000 rand we've given out. Lana eDwalisa Spring Picnic. Into esijabulisayo ukuthi abalandeli beMaskandi bakhona bagcwele lana bafikile na ku stand sethu ba enjoy 360 camera yethu ba enjoy ama mocktails esibanika wona bayithenga airtime to stand a chance to win from ama draws ethu. At the end of the night sizobe sine grand prize ya 5,000 rand esizobe siyikhipha, so the more they enter the better their chances.
With all these promotions, what do you aim to achieve?
With all of these promotions, we're aiming to connect South Africans. Ukhumbule ukuthi uma uthenga idatha akusiko nje ukuthi ufuna ukubuka i-social media. Usuke ufuna mhlawumbe ukufonela izingane zakho, wenza ama-video calls, ukuxhumana nabangani bakho, uyakwazi ukuyisebenzisa ukulalela umusic wamaskandi, ustreame, senzele ukuthi nawo ama-artist akwazi ukuthi abe ne-income, singa-encourage ukuthi umuntu athenge izinto ezi-pirated. So idatha ibaluleke kakhulu nanokuthi abantu bayayisebenzisa ukuthi bafunde kwi-internet ngayo. So i-aim yethu as i-MTN ukuthi si-connect abantu, siba-connecte kuzo zonke iy'ndawo la bekhona.
Umculo kaMaskandi bekuwumculo over the years obowubukelwa phansi, kodwa nithathe initiative nina njengano-MTN as you say nifuna ukuba yingxenye yomcimbi womculo kaMaskandi. Kusho ukuthini lokho kunini?
Kuthina kusho into enkulu kakhulu. Ukhumbule ukuthi i-MTN iyi-brand eyaqala la eSouth Africa, yabona. Siyi-brand yabantu abamnyama esupporta onke ama-cultures, not just abantu abamnyama abelungu, kodwa ke siyazi ukuthi abantu baseThekwini kakhulukazi thina as u-MTN ola kwi-region yase-KZN bayawuthanda uMaskandi and siyathanda ukuthi senze into abantu aba-passionate ngayo njengoba nathi si-passionate ngawo ama-customer ethu. Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ke ukuya phambili ngo-MTN izinto ezinye sisangayilindela nesisazozibona. Siyazi ukuthi over the years MTN you can consider it as the most growing mobile network eSouth Africa. Yini esingayilindela elandelayo ama surprises alandela?
Angizokutshela nangama surprises, ngizokutshela ngento ekhona ngoba over the last year i-MTN isi-investe kakhulu kwi-KZN i-infrastructure yama-towers ethu senzele ukuthi nabantu abaseyigodini lapho cabanga ukuthi ucingo alufinyeleli khona u-MTN uyafinyelela. Ngaleyo ndlela sivoteliwe as the best network in SA.
Wow.
Kuwukuthi ingoba vele sizimisele ukuthi sixhumanise abantu bangahlukaniswa iy'ndaba ngoba u-MTN ukhona.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Siyabonga. Ngamza kwethu bese khona ke siyi Durban Network.